Good morning, children. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do conditional formatting in Excel sheet. And then you can generate the QR code. So learn today how to generate it. So first open Excel sheet and you see that width are maybe 10 or 9. So first you have to decrease the width. You have to make the square of the smaller width. So Control plus A and select the cell. After selecting, you right click on any column and click column width. You can see column width here and type 4 or 5 and enter. So you see that width is smaller. Now what you have to do, as you have learned that binary code, either we use 1 or 0. So here you make, just see any QR code and fill up where you see the black color. That box will be 1. So like here, I am writing 1 in some of the cells and I am leaving them blank. Instead of 0, you leave that blank. So what will happen when we select the color of black and white, two colors, then wherever 0 is there, it will there is no digit written, that is 0 is not written, it will be white as it is. So here I have written some of the columns, some of the cells 1. After this you do go to conditional formatting. Conditional formatting, top right, you can see our menu, it is there, conditional formatting. You click it and you set new rule. Under that, if you see two colors, then you select the two colors. It's up to you if you can do the other designs like you have done tiles, so you can select the different type of colors. But here, as I am going to explain you the QR code, so what we will do, black and white. So highest value, that is 1, is black color and the other one is 0. Click OK. You see here that black and white square is formed. So you can make any design of QR code here. So you have seen the QR code is also a two-dimensional grid of black and white square pixels.